So let's start by soldering these two jumper wires with the motor shield pin 8 and 9. So let's solder the first one. Be careful while soldering. So just you need to solder these wires. So here now you can see I have connected and soldered these two jumper wires. Okay, let's connect the ultrasonic sensor. So you need this double-sided tape to stick this breadboard, a tiny breadboard on chassis. Okay, so let's stick it. Now let's place this ultrasonic sensor. Okay. Now you need to give the power supply through this pin, 5 volt and ground pin of the motor shield. So just connect the 5 volt pin to the VCC of ultrasonic sensor and ground pin to the ground of ultrasonic sensor. Now the trigger and echo pin will be connected to pin number 8 and 9. So let's connect the trigger pin, which will be connected to digital pin 9. Okay, digital pin 8, sorry. And now I need to connect pin number 8 of the Arduino with echo pin of the ultrasonic sensor. So our connection is done. Let's move to the coding part.